How long does SHEIN take to deliver? Hey everybody, in today's video we will be explaining how long does SHEIN take to deliver. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So in order to look out for the time to deliver, usually you need to look out for the checkout process. So for that, once you've selected your product, you can just head over and look out for the checkout option, the cart option on your screen, tap on it, and you will be taken to the checkout page. You may just go ahead and locate up the products that you would like to check out. After that, tap on checkout from your screen, this option right here, and you will be prompted to add up your shipping address here. So Shein's shipping time varies based on your location and chosen shipping method, but generally, if you would like to look out for your time to deliver, we have two methods available for shipping, which is standard shipping and express shipping. So usually for standard shipping, it takes about 1 to 3 weeks for standard shipping, and it is low cost of charge, which is $0. But if you would like to have a faster shipping of your products, we have this option called express shipping. So express shipping is 3 to 7 business days. It is basically 2 to 4 working days. You can expect your order to arrive within 7 to 15 business days. For some reasons, experiencing slightly longer delivery times. For example, in the US, it can take up to 9 to 12 days. It varies on location, as I said earlier. So you can just go ahead and follow the process. And apart from that, several factors can also influence the delivery time, including the location, the proximity to Shein's warehouses, and potential custom clearance delays. So that is it. Yeah, that is it. If you would like to know how long does Shein take to deliver, it is 1 to 3 weeks for standard shipping and 3 to 7 for express shipping. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.